Hello friends, this is Justin and today we're going to see this open high low trading strategy and how it's done. Okay, so this is one of the most easiest trading strategy and most of the traders use this strategy to trade. The reason traders choose this strategy is because you don't need any other technical indicators or anything to prove anything or to get confirmation or anything. Only using this 5 minutes candlestick we do everything. And first thing how we enter this is we choose candlestick chart. So next candlestick chart, and the time frame is 5 minutes. Okay, so we'll be looking at four different scripts today. Okay, and all those scripts come under 100 to 200 category. Okay, so the price range for all these four scripts are within 200 rupees and above 100 rupees. Okay, and they belong to Nifty 50. Okay, so how can we enter into this market and how can we buy and sell? How to know the best entry point and the exit point? Okay, so for example, I want to buy a share now. What will I do? Okay, so I take the high and the low of the first 5 minutes candle. Okay, see what's the time, 9:15. Okay, first 5 minutes candles, high and low, mark the high and low, and this is how it works. This is the concept of how it's working. So this is divided into two types. So one is for the risky trader and one is for the safe trader. So for the risky traders who are ready to take risk, what they can do is, so once this high is broken and this candlestick goes up now, so once this high is broken and the price is going up beyond this, after 5 to 10.5 points or 0.10 points, they can go for an entry and they can enter into the market. Okay, this is for risky traders. For the safe traders, people who are trading very safely with their cash, what they can do is they can enter only after this any candle, okay, which closes above this price, which closes above this high. Okay, it should close above this high. See, this candle closed above this high. Okay, can you see, minute close? Okay, and after that you can go for an entry in this candle. Okay, or yes, you can go for entry in this candle and you would have got 116.17. so it has gone up to such a great extent. Okay, so this is a trade for the risky traders. They can enter here after 1 point, after this breaks this line, and for the safe traders, they can enter once this candle closes above, okay, above this high. Okay, this is one example. The second example is I'm taking the fourth high and low. Okay, high, this is the high point and this is the low point. So will you enter here? No, because it's not breaking this high. None of the candles are breaking this price level, so there's no buy entry there. If you want, you can take sell entry. So it broke the sell entry. There's a line touching here, so for the sellers it's a good profit. Okay, sellers takes entry, so it's a good profit. So this is for the risky sellers and safe sellers, and they can get a good confirmation. They've got a good confirmation. They could have entered here and the price has gone down to a very great extent. Okay, this is Tata Motors. Next we'll see the next script, which is Coal India. Even this is a very good script, Coal India. So I'm taking high and I'm taking the low. Okay, after this, so this is the trade in point. So this point, so all the risky traders enter at 9:25. okay, at this point, like around 190.62, 190.65 somewhere, all the risky traders enter in and they could have booked a profit till this, and the safe traders after this. So this has a closing beyond this. Okay, so the safe traders enter here after at 9:50. okay, after this candle is formed, it is closed above this, so the safe trader enter here and this open and they've got a very good profit. So the candlestick has gone up to a very great extent. So this is one example, and yes, it works well. Okay, I'll tell you the risk behind it also. And some of you might ask, why can I set my stop loss? Yes, so as this is your entry point, this can be your stop loss. The high is your entry, the low is your stop loss. Okay, if you're buying, high is your entry, this high is your entry, and this low is your stop loss. And next one, VEDL. Even this is a very good stock. Okay, so I'm taking this high and I'm taking this low. See, risky traders entry, they'll enter here. Okay, in 9:20 itself they'll enter okay. And the safe traders, after this confirmation, they'll enter in this open, okay. 9:30 is open, they'll enter and they'll book a profit, okay, till this, okay. So few people, even in safe traders or risky traders, they tend to hold the stock. They think that might go up, and they hold the stock. So if you're ready to take risk and hold it, you can. That's totally your wish, and you can do whatever you want. But according to me, since you're new to trading, or you're just learning, or it's been around 1 year in trading or something like that, it's best to set around 0.3 or 0.5 or 0.7% profit and exit the market as soon as your profit is hit. Don't wait for it to raise, because it can fall suddenly. No one can predict the market. So this raise over here now won't happen always. It happens very rare, okay. So the best thing over here is a 0.5 or 3% or 0.5% profit and exit the market as soon as your profit is obtained. Don't wait. You will get more greediness. It always ends in a loss. So I've seen that. That's what I'm trying to explain it to y'all. So how I face. And for this you don't need any indicators or super trends. This is a super trend indicator, so you don't need anything over here. So I close it, okay. So I took it for some other, so I do various other analysis and everything, so that's why I took it. So for today, this is not required for today's analysis, okay. This high and this low, see, good raise, okay. So the risky traders, they enter here at 9:20 itself. They enter as soon as this line breaks and this opens beyond this line, breaks and going up around 0.5 point. So for example, what is this 0.5 and 0.10 you may ask? So this, what does this open means? It's high is 122.40. so the risky traders can enter at 122.45 or 50 or 55. So these points they can mostly 0.10 points, 0.10 points you can take 0.10, so 0.10 or 0.15 like that you can enter, okay. And for the safe trader, so once this closes beyond this, the next, this is your entry point for the safe trader. So this open is your entry point, and your 0.3% or 0.5% profit will be achieved here, okay. Or if you're ready to hold it, you can hold it, and thus the market has gone up to 129.16. very good raise, okay. So yes, this does work, this concept does work, but be careful. Always do set a stop loss. This is your stop loss. Make sure you set a stop loss. Don't take any risk, because the market can turn any way it wants. It can come down anyway. But this, for the safe traders, I can give you an accuracy around 70% to 90% for both, for the safe traders and risky traders who are following this method. So there are losses there suddenly. If this I can show you some script, like this is one good example. So what happened here is, so it touched here, okay. As soon as it touched, the market went down, okay, and then the market went up again. So that's why we set the stop loss so low. Sometimes it too hits the stop loss also and it comes down. So that time it's best for us to come out and wait, or you can get out of the market, or if you want to take another trade, you can wait. So after there's an entry, the next entry, if it comes down, it surely is going to go on top again, okay. If there's a downtrend, surely there must be an uptrend. So once it comes down and touches the stop loss, it breaks the stop loss, it will go up again. So at that time, once it breaks this point, okay, breaks this high, you can enter again and book your profit and come out, okay. So do set a stop loss. Even if a stop loss hits, you can go for the next entry, okay, but don't be without setting a stop loss, because if the entire market changes and the trend comes down completely, it will be a very big loss for you. So do set a stop loss and trade only with stop losses, okay. And don't be too greedy. This is for all the normal traders who are not ready to take risk. I'm telling you, just set a normal profit like 0.3 or 0.5% profit and exit the market. So here you could have thought, like the previous example which I have showed you now, the market is going to go up, might go up. You could have thought and you could have held it, but suddenly what happened, the market came down. After that, it's going up, it's coming down more only, it's not going up only, okay. It could go up, but it's not going up. The market can react the opposite way only. So if you're thinking it'll go up, it'll go down. Okay, if you're thinking it will go down, it will go up. So we can never predict the market. Okay, market, this is just a normal analysis, and we are doing it, and it's working. Okay, and this is, I can't say this is 100% accuracy. Even in this there is only maximum 90% accuracy you can expect in this method also. Okay, and thank you. So please do paper trading, don't trade with real money, just do virtual trading or paper trading. Make sure you're confident to enter the market. Okay, after you're confident, then trade with real money. I did paper trading for more than a year. Only after that I started entering in the market and I started making profit. Until you know the trick and how this thing works, when to enter, when to exit, all those things, never enter the market. And that confidence level, now suddenly if you are confident, enter. If you're not confident, if you're double-minded, don't enter, just come out of the market. Okay, that is very risky to enter when you're double-minded or when you're confused. So thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to this video and to this channel, and please share this video to your friends, so that even they might find something useful, they might gain some important points from this, and they can use it for their trading, and they can get, even they might get a new trading strategy, so they can start trading with this, and they can earn some profit from this, so they can make up their losses. Okay, thank you.